Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorials brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group, and let's jump right in. Today's poster wants us to know how to cut out one person's face and just make a like a circle picture out of them. There's many ways, but I'm going to show you two quick ways. The very first one is to simply grab the circle tool up here, and it might be on this square here, and you'll see it shows a square up there. So whatever its default is on, you just choose what you want down here, either a square or elliptical as they call it. So all you got to do is simply take your picture. I'm going to go ahead and hit this to unlock up here. That allows me to go ahead and work with the picture and move it around. And you start at the top left and drag your left mouse button to the bottom right to create a circle. So I'm going to start up here, right around here, and I'm going to hold the left mouse button and bring it down to about here. Now all I have to do is let go of the mouse button, and you can see the marching ants. I'm going to right click in the middle and choose select inverse. That will select everything else but the circle. So as soon as I hit delete, it deletes everything except for the circle. Now I'm going to hit the grab button, and now you got yourself a photo that you want. I can resize it, make it bigger or smaller, any size you want. And that's all there is to it. It's really simple. Another way is to create a mask, put a circle in the mask, and then manipulate the whole photo from underneath. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to create a blank layer, and I'm going to go ahead and fill in that layer with white. So first let's pick our color chooser and then choose white. I'm going to hit OK, come back with the paint bucket, the whole thing, left click, and it creates a big white mask. A second layer. Then we can go ahead and grab the circle, and if I want the circle to be an exact circle, I'm going to use the snap tool and the grid. So I'm going to go to view, and down here grid. The grid right now is set to 1 inch apart. As you can see, these major lines are every inch. So as long as the view snap to grid is chosen, it will snap your line to the closest grid. I'm going to go ahead and start here at 2 inches in by 1 inches high, and I'm going to bring that down, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. And you see it snaps to every inch line. As soon as I let go, I can go ahead and hit delete, and that cuts a circle in our photo. Now I can go ahead and view and turn the grid off so that it doesn't affect my view of the photo. Now I can lock the top layer with a lock right here, and that way I don't grab it by mistake. So every time I try to grab, what it really does is it grabs the bottom layer, which is what I want. I'm going to zoom out, and I can make that picture a lot bigger, and then move that picture from the background to choose which person I want in the circle. So you see that? This allows you a little more flexibility in case the other circle doesn't work the way you want it to be, or in case you want to choose a different person. And once I got whoever I want in the circle, all I got to do is take the crop tool and just recrop the page from the top left to the bottom right, hit OK, and there we go. All you have to do now is just right click up here and merge down. Why is it not allowing us? Because the layer is locked. So I'm going to unlock it. I'm going to right click again and merge down. And now the whole piece is one photo with the circle and the image in it. And that's all there is for this tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.